Hello folks, this is Aditya from inspiredtorise.com and today we are going to talk about the Panasonic Lumix S1R. So guys, the Lumix S1R is one of the full frame mirrorless cameras by Panasonic and it's one of their newest cameras. If we talk about the build and design, this one comes with a magnesium alloy body and it has got quite a lot of heft and weight to it. When you hold it in your hand, it almost feels like you're holding a full-size DSLR, and that's why it's something if you carry it around for a long period of time, you might feel fatigued. Otherwise, it's very solid and the overall feel is just like a DSLR, and at the back you get a lot of function buttons, ISO button, white balance buttons, etc. all are on top. Really nice. It has got a 3.6-inch triaxial tilt screen touchscreen similar to Fujifilm cameras, but it's not a fully articulating screen, and that's something that I would have liked to see personally. Now if we talk about the ports, it comes with a full-size HDMI port, headphone, microphone, USB-C, and the electronic viewfinder on this one is really great. It has got one of the highest resolutions from any electronic viewfinder ever, and if we talk about few other things, it comes with a 47.3 megapixel sensor. It's a super high resolution sensor and it has a 5.76 million dot electronic viewfinder. It's a temperature sealed unit, and overall the build and design is pretty solid. The battery on this one is a 3000 mAh plus battery, and this battery takes quite a lot of time to charge, and the inside charger is 7.4 volt one, and it can be charged via the USB 3.1 type C cable also. But surprisingly, the battery doesn't last really that long considering the high capacity, because the power consumption of this camera is slightly higher. Now if we talk about few other things, it comes with 5-axis image stabilization inbuilt. When paired with a supported stabilized lens, it offers even more stabilization options. You can shoot 6 fps burst shots with continuous autofocus and 9 fps burst shots without that. And if we talk about the controls in LCD, they light up in the dark, but not every single button on it. And if we talk about few other things, there's the eye autofocus present on this one, which can detect almost every eye in the frame. The S1R supports 1080p 180 fps slow motion videos, and if we talk about 4K videos, it supports 60p and 50p videos, and that's a good option. And the active ISO range is around 100 to 25,600. That's something that you get in the native range for this one. On the S1R, 4K recording is at a 1.09 crop factor from 24 to 60 frames. And if you talk about other expansion options, it has 2 card slots, one which supports XQD and one with the SD card slot. Overall, it is a good camera for people who are looking for high-end photography, but if you are somebody who's into video, you won't find it as impressive, as the video bit rates are not really that high when compared to the competition or even Panasonic's own S1 camera. The AI on this one struggles sometimes on faces and autofocus suffers at those points, but otherwise it's very sharp, very nice for a lot of people who are going to do a lot of photography. On this one, there's the Sigma L mount. The L mount is something for which you will have to buy new lenses, and all of those are pretty expensive at a price of around 2,99,980 rupees just for the body and 3,67,990 rupees with the 2405mm f4 lens. This camera is really expensive for a lot of people, and I won't personally recommend it for anybody who's not gonna shoot a lot of photos. For anybody who's just into normal videos, etc., I would recommend them buying some other camera, something from the Sony Alpha series or something by Canon. Even Nikon's mirrorless options are cheaper than this one, and even something like Fujifilm X-T3 would be a great option for people who are looking to shoot video. But for anybody who's into really high-end photography and every pixel matters for them, they might be happy with a camera like this one. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.